All right, everybody, time for a quick April market update. Um, Things are picking up. We are in our spring frenzy. We're seeing prices increase. The chart you see here in front of you, we can see that our kind of the low was back in January. We had a median close price right around 520,000. Now we're sitting somewhere around 570,000 or so. So we've seen um, actually right around an 8% increase. I think it's actually 560. So we've seen right around an 8% increase since the lows of the beginning of this year. We see that similar margin in average close prices. So we expect to see this month finish strong. We also expect May to see maybe one more strong month. And then we'll kind of start to see our seasonal dip off come, June. June would be an early seasonal trend down, but July, August, September is kind of normal. So I want to show you guys what that seasonal trend looks like. So when we see, pardon me, when we let you know that, hey, we're going to see some seasonal stuff coming in July, August, and September, it's just based on historical data. So the chart that I'm going to pull up now will show you kind of the ebbs and flows of the real estate market as we go through the seasonality. So anyway, sellers, if you're looking to sell now through next month, is going to be great timing. If you can get the property on the market, maybe no later than May 15th, toward the end of May. Once we get past Memorial Day weekend, things are going to get a little bit tougher on the seller side. So it's a great opportunity to be a seller right now, cash in on the equity as we recover from kind of our down our pullback that we saw in January. Buyers are getting used to the new kind of the new norm with interest rates being in the 6% range, 7% range, and we may see an opportunity for pullback as well. In fact, I think we'll see an opportunity somewhere in Q1, Q2 of next year where we give buyers some more opportunity to purchase with maybe loan rates getting back into the fives and possibly even the high fours. In the event that that happens, we are likely going to see another buyer frenzy. And so I think it's important right now, if you're a buyer sitting on the sideline now or in the upcoming kind of seasonal pullback, which is going to be July, August, September, not going to be a bad time to pick up a property where interest rates might be still a little bit higher, but it's going to give us an opportunity to pick up a property at a lower price and then have a refi opportunity somewhere in Q1 or Q2 of next year. We have a great lending partner with CMG Home Loans that allows for what we call a rate rebound. If you purchase a home with them now, in the next 5 years, if you refinance, they will pay your lender costs to refinance the property. So as you can see with this chart here, if we look even just for the last 10 years, you can see how cyclical and seasonal our real estate market is. Obviously, we have some interesting kind of anomalies here during some of the COVID years and during the really the major run up that we had in March through May of 2022. But then we saw that kind of correction. So I think you can just imagine if that run up weren't here, it would look similar to everything else. So this is kind of a false top that we saw. But anyway, even if we look at these peaks going back, we're always going to see these peaks in kind of June, which again, June, these are closings. So these are June numbers, which are May under contracts. And if we have a July in there, for example, we've got a July closing. So June is really the latest that we should see your property get under contract. So we kind of see that every single year. Here's another July. Here's another July. Here's another July. So July tends to be that peak, which is again those June under contracts. So getting on the market, late May, early June is going to be the absolute latest we really want to see. And then we see this seasonal pullback where you can see October, November, October, October. Okay, so this is when we see this seasonal pullback, and then we pick back up in the summer again. Okay, so if you're looking to buy or sell in the next 6 months, this is something that you can look at to determine when should I do this. This seasonal trend that we see is very cyclical. It's almost like clockwork, other than these couple of anomalies that we have here, and these were just significant growth stages. So anyway, that's the market. We've got very low inventory. I won't go over inventory numbers right now. I want to keep this video under 5 minutes, so I've got 20 seconds left. But inventory is very low. We don't see that changing for quite a long time. So if we do get into a better rate climate in the beginning of the year, we're just going to see another buyer frenzy with lack of inventory. So anyway, let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Please give us a call, send us an email. We'd love to help you with your real estate goals, and we'll see you next time.